In the packaging world, one popular solution to prevent bloating and paneling is fluorination barrier treatment of the container. Fluorination provides a barrier on the surface of the plastic container to boost its strength, which does solve the problem of paneling and bloating, but it adds a huge cost to the packaging process. Entire bottles need to be shipped to a fluorinator, who unpacks them, treats them, then repacks them and reships the treated bottles. And the fluorination process itself is super expensive. Venting, on the other hand, costs up to 88% less than fluorination. With vents, we ship only caps or just the vented liners themselves, rather than the entire bottles. And you eliminate repacking fees altogether. Venting is a more efficient, more affordable, and more environmentally friendly option than fluorination. Just thought you should know.